Now let's see some other few things we can do with JavaScript array. And then right now we have these three cars, okay? And then let's say we want to remove the last car here, okay? All you have to do is to say a dot pop, all right? A dot pop like this, and then go ahead and console log your a, okay? When you go ahead and console log your a, you notice that the last jeep, the last car has been removed. So pop is actually used to remove the last item in the array, okay? That's for that particular one, okay? Let's say we want to remove the first item in the array, okay? We want to remove the first item in the array. The same way we remove the last item in the array. All you have to do is say a dot shift, okay? A dot shift. It will go ahead and remove the first item. All right, as you can see, it now removed Volvo, and then we now have BMW and then Jeep. Okay, now let's say we want to add item to the last value of the array. Okay, we're just gonna say a dot push followed by the item you want to add right now. Okay, let's say the car we want to add right now is actually Ford. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and click this, and then I'm gonna save it and then check it out. Okay, and then we now have Ford added to our array. Okay, let's say we also want to add we also want to add item to the first index of the array. How we gonna do that? I'm not gonna say on shift, and then we'll say on shift Ford. Okay, and then I'm gonna add this, and Ford will now be added at the first index of the array. Okay, that's basically how it works. So finally, let's see how we can sort out this our array. Okay, so how you can sort array just basically by saying a dot sort, and then like this. Okay, a dot sort, it just go ahead and sort out your array in order. Okay, so as you can see, it sort out this our array. B is actually the first character in all these things. Okay, it B comes before J and J comes before V. So that is how it has sorted this our array. Okay, so that's basically what I want you to understand right here when it comes to JavaScript array. Okay, see you right in the next video. Thank you.